It's a wonderful day, guys. In this episode, 2025 Toyota Avanza 1.3e automatic transmission. Tara!
Iisa-isahin natin guys ang 8 most dislikable features ko sa unit na ito. Watch till the end para malaman ninyo kung mataas ba o mababa ang resale value ng unit na ito sa market. May slight comparo din tayo sa closest rival nito na Mitsubishi Xpander. Umpisahan na natin. Let's do this!
Let's do this!
Let's do this and watch Tito.
Sige, manood kayo kay Tito Rich.
Lagi po kayo manood ng Tito Rich, siyempre.
Guys, papalo Tito Rich sa mga vlog.
For this episode guys, we will be reviewing the 1.3e CVT with a suggested retail price of 1,016,000 pesos. It is a front-wheel drive CVT transmission with an engine of 1NRVE, 15-inch alloy wheels, segment LCD mid, split-type LED headlamps, rear combination LED lamp, two-tone ang interiors, key to start, digital aircon control, back camera and sensors, 8-inch audio display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, driver and front passenger airbags, alarm plus immobilizer plus indicator, and a back camera. For the base model naman guys na 1.3J manual transmission with a suggested retail price of 844,000 pesos, wala lang itong split type LED headlamps and 6.75 inch lang ang display ng audio. Also, it has no alarm plus immobilizer plus indicator. Also, it doesn't have a back camera. For the 1.3e naman na manual transmission with a retail price of 959,000 pesos, it is not a CVT transmission engine. It is a smaller engine than the 1NRVE of the eCVT. Also, it doesn't have digital aircon control. And wala rin siyang back camera and sensors. For the top of the line naman, which is the 1.5G CVT with a retail price of 1,071,000 pesos, it has a bigger engine, which is the 2NRVE. It has a bigger alloy wheels at 16-inch. Also, it is a push-start engine and 6 na rin yung airbags instead of 2. Also, it's a keyless entry.
This is not your typical car review, guys. Hindi ako agent, hindi rin ako nagbebenta, hindi rin to sponsored ng any car company. So this is just an honest to goodness car review of a Tito na car enthusiast. First dislikable feature, guys, this is a gas engine. So, walang diesel variant nito. This is a gas engine. So, that's one. This is a gas engine. Siyempre, mas gusto nating mga tito, diesel ang engine. Pangalawa, this is a Daihatsu engine. Okay? Shock kayo, di ba? Kasi may partnership na at nakakwire na ng Toyota ang Daihatsu. But Daihatsu are the ones manufacturing for Toyota the cheaper, fuel-efficient naman variants of engine. So, this is a Daihatsu engine. Tingnan natin. Maganda rin naman ang engine ng Daihatsu, pero it's lighter and it is more fuel efficient. Pero in terms of longevity ng engine, it is around, as per their findings and tests, around 150 to 200,000 kilometers. While yung mga original na Toyota engines talaga, around 200,000 kilometers or more ang tinatagal. So yan, this is the sample of the Toyota Avanza with a Daihatsu engine. Then it produces 97 horsepower lang. Yung counterpart niya, which is the expander, is around 103 horsepower. So mas malakas yung kanyang nearest competitor. For the torque naman or yung hatak, the torque of this unit is around 138 Newton meters, while the expander has 141 Newton meters of torque. So mas malakas yung nearest competitor nitong Toyota Avanza na Mitsubishi Expander. Another dislikable feature guys, yung tire size. As you can see, eto. It is a 185/65 R15. So 15-inch stock mugs and stock tires. One of my most dislikable features. Kasi yung nearest competitor niya, the Mitsubishi Expander, has 17-inch stock mugs and stock tires. Next on my dislikable feature, ground clearance. Okay? So ground clearance is around 180 millimeters. Ayan, kita nyo naman. Medyo mababa. While for the Mitsubishi Expander, kaya natin siya doon kino-compare kasi siya yung closest rival and competitor talaga niya. For the Mitsubishi Expander, the Expander has 220. Lambot din ang manibela. Pwede sa ladies. Kayang-kaya. Lambot. Another most dislikable feature guys, this 2025 Toyota Avanza has a fuel consumption of
20.8 kilometers per liter, while the Mitsubishi Expander 1.3 CVT has a better performance and fuel efficiency of 22.94 kilometers per liter.
Another dislikable feature nga pala guys, this unit is now for bid sa mga repo car stockyards at around 650,000 pesos. So from 1 million pesos brand new price, meron na siyang 35% reduction on the original value. So that's another most dislikable feature. Resale value niya bumababa on the first year at around 35%.
If you want to check other cars up for bid with lower price than brand new or around 35% to 50% less, just watch my weekly videos of repo cars on this channel.
That's it guys for the 2025 Toyota Avanza automatic transmission. Thank you. God bless.